Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a vintage McCulloch chainsaw. This is a Model 180. This one was made in 1959. 5.3 cubic inch. Power head weighs 23.5 pounds. This is capable of running up to a 60-inch bar and chain with that gearbox. And this one features a 42-inch Oregon bar with that number 10 chain. And the chain's well worn, still could be used for some doing an exhibit cutting, exhibition. The roller nose is in good shape. And the saw, I'll show you some of the features of it. The kill switch does not work. It's got a manual override on the oiler. Choke is over here. And this saw has what we call a hood on it, and I'll unscrew that and show you what we're talking about. That's so you get easy access into the spark plug there. And this is that cart motor that you've heard so much about. This has the removable head, and it has a head gasket on the top, and that's so you can do some fine tuning on those ports. Very popular with the guys back then for making some really hot rod chainsaws. There's that big gearbox, and if you'll notice, this is reversible. This had the studs you could reverse and change the gear around, and you could run the bar and chain on this side for different applications. Very rarely was it done, but it's there if a guy wanted to do it. Muffler's in good shape for the vintage. And there's that hood on a hinge. It's just a very nice vintage old McCulloch chainsaw. I'm not going to be cutting with it. It does have some carburation issues. You're going to have to go through that carburetor to if you're going to do any exhibition cutting with this saw. Nice vintage chainsaw.